What y'all think about that, buddies? Fireplace feels good, don't it? What you standing up for? I don't have nothing. I just asked a question. You like the fireplace? What you still standing up for? I don't have nothing. No, you can't chew on the sticks. I done burn them up. There's no more sticks in the box. You got to chew on your ball. You take that ball. You took that ball out yesterday. Get that ball. Look at that big ball. Get it, ball. Get the balls. Get the balls. Get the balls. Here's a ball. Get it. Get it. Get the balls. What, get a ball. Get it. Get the balls. Get the balls. Get the big balls. Who's got big balls?